This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Carla Weichert. Wonderful open floor plan with lots of potential. Harwood floors throughout. Owner's suite with separate bath. Eat-in kitchen with separate dining area as well. Sliding glass doors off the dining area let in plenty of natural light. Both are open to living room and family room, perfect for entertaining. Concrete patio off of dining area is great for outdoor barbecue. Large 2-car garage with inside access to separate mud room/laundry room. Private backyard and park-like setting backs to trees/field. Great curb appeal with low maintenance landscaping. Conveniently located near shopping and major roads. For more information, review the details below.